Are you planning to buy a car from Japan and ship it to Kenya? Before you send your money, there are important things you must understand about buying the vehicle: inspection, shipping, custom clearance, and avoiding expensive mistakes. In this video, I will explain the complete process of shipping a car from Japan to Kenya. Welcome to MACO TV. Please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell for more information about Japanese car auctions, vehicle export, and doing business in Japan. Choose the right vehicle. The first step is choosing a vehicle that meets Kenya import requirements. Do not buy a car simply because it looks cheap. Check the year of manufacture, the engine condition, the mileage, the accident history, rust underneath the vehicle, the chassis number, the auction inspection report, whether spare parts are available in Kenya. Popular Japanese vehicles in Kenya include Toyota Probox, Toyota Fielder, Toyota Harrier, Toyota Prado, Nissan X-Trail, Mazda CS5, Subaru Forester, and the small commercial vans. Before buying, calculate the total cost, not only the purchase price. Step 2. Buy from a trusted source. You can buy the vehicle from a Japanese car auction, a Japanese dealership, an exporter, a private seller, a vehicle recycling or trade company. Japanese auction can offer good prices, but you need access through a registered auction member or exporters. Always ask for clear photos, the auction sheet, chassis number, and a full cost breakdown before paying. Be careful of people who advertise extremely cheap vehicles but cannot provide proper company documentation or proof that the vehicle exists. Step 3. Inspect the vehicle. Before the car is shipped, it must be inspected. The inspection helps confirm that the vehicle meets Kenya required standards. The inspector must check the chassis and engine numbers, the vehicle's age, light and indicators, brake, tires, seat belt, windscreen condition, general roadworthiness, exhaust emissions, structural or accident damage. Do not wait until the vehicle reaches the port before discovering that it has serious problems. A proper inspection in Japan can save you money and stress. Step 4. Choose the shipping method. The most common shipping method is RoRo, which means roll on, roll off. The vehicle is driven into the ship in Japan and driven off when it arrives in Kenya. RoRo is normally cheaper and commonly used for running vehicles. The second method is container shipping. With container shipping, the vehicle is loaded into a 20 feet or 40 feet container. Container shipping may offer more protection, but it is usually more expensive. Your choice will depend on the type of vehicle, the vehicle's condition, the shipping schedule, the destination port, your budget, whether you are shipping other goods with the vehicle. For most normal cars going to Kenya, RoRo is the most common option. Step 5. Prepare the export documents. The exporter in Japan should prepare the necessary documents. These may include export certificate, commercial invoice, bill of lading, inspection certificate, packing list when required, vehicle photographs, insurance documents when applicable. Check that your full name and contact information are written correctly. Also confirm that the chassis number on every document matches the chassis number on the vehicle. One small documentation error can delay customs clearance. Step 6. Book the shipment. After the vehicle passes inspection and the documents are ready, the exporter will book space on the vessel. The car will be transported to the departure port in Japan. Common departure ports may include Yokohama, Nagoya, Kobe, Osaka, Hakata, or Moji ports, depending on the shipping company and the vessel schedule. Before shipment, ask the exporter for the vessel's name, the departure date, the estimated arrival date, the port of arrival, the booking number, the bill of lading details. Most vehicles shipped to Kenya arrives through port of Mombasa. Shipping time can vary depending on the vessel's route, port schedule, weather, and the transshipment arrangements. Step 7. Calculate the total landing cost. Many first-time buyers make the mistake of looking only at the car price. Your total cost may include vehicle purchase price, auction fee, exporter service fees, inland transportation in Japan, inspection charges, shipping costs, marine insurance, import duties and taxes, port charges, clearing agent charges, storage or demurrage fees, transportation from Mombasa to your final destination. Ask for a detailed quotation before purchasing the vehicle. Never assume that the cheap car in Japan will automatically be cheap after arriving in Kenya. Step 8. Customs clearance in Kenya. Before the vehicle arrives, choose a reliable clearing agent in Kenya. Send the clearing agent copies of the shipping documents early so they can prepare for clearance. Your clearing agent will help you with customs entry, duty and tax assessment, port procedure, document verification, vehicle release, registration, and related procedures. Transportation from the port. Do not choose a clearing agent only because they offer the lowest price. Choose someone who is experienced, registered, transparent, and easy to contact. Then step 9. Avoid port storage charges. When the vehicle arrives in Mombasa, begin the clearance process quickly. Delays can lead to storage charges, shipping line charges, port penalties, demurrage, additional transport expenses. Make sure your payment for duties and clearance is ready before the vehicle arrives. Good preparation can prevent unnecessary costs. Let's look at common mistakes to avoid. Here are some mistakes you should avoid. The number 1, buying without checking the vehicle's age. Number 2, ignoring the auction inspection sheet. Number 3, sending money to an unverified seller. Number 4, buying a badly rusted or accidentally damaged vehicle. Number 5, forgetting inspections and documentation charges. Number 6, calculating only the purchase price and shipping fee. 7, waiting until the car arrives before finding a clearing agent. 8, using the wrong chassis number on shipping documents. Number 9, leaving personal items inside a RoRo vehicle. Number 10, failing to check current Kenya import requirement before buying. My final advice to you guys is, shipping a car from Japan to Kenya can be a good investment when the process is handled correctly. The most important things are: buy from a trusted source, Check vehicle carefully. Understand the full landing cost. Prepare all documents correctly. Use a reliable shipping company and clearing agent. And never send money until you have verified the seller and the vehicle. Are you interested in buying and shipping a vehicle from Japan to Kenya? Leave your question in the comment section. Subscribe to MACO TV for more videos about Japanese car auctions, vehicle inspections, importing and exporting cars, shipping, and business opportunities in Japan. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.